How to change your Rakuten password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your Rakuten.com, and then from here make sure that you are logged into your account. You'll need to tap on the menu bar right here, and then from here simply make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you're logged into your account, again tap on that same menu bar, and then from here now we'll get into the account right here. So after getting into our account here, after doing that, what we're going to do is simply keep on scrolling until we find account settings. Tap on account settings, and after tapping on account settings we'll get into this particular page where you'll need to actually verify your account. So simply add in all of your credentials in order to verify yourself, and then now you will actually be getting into security and sign in, right? So after getting into the security and sign in, you can now simply tap on the edit button that you'll be able to see next to the password. So simply tap on that edit button next to the password, then you can enter your current password, type in your new password, and then you can tap on save, and just like that you'll successfully be able to change your Rakuten password online. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.